Welcome to Moon Vibes, your daily source of crypto news, delivered with just the right amount of chill. Moon Vibes only. Now here's your host, Crypto Kyle.
Hey, good morning and welcome back to the show. It is Thursday morning. Man, it's also the 14th of April, which is the day that my middle brother was born. So happy birthday to my bro. But guys, let's jump into the news this morning. Ethereum's merge will occur later than June 2022, says developer. You can see no firm date yet right here, but Tim Byko, a computer scientist who coordinates Ethereum developers, reportedly said the protocol's much anticipated transition from a proof of work mining model to a proof of stake will probably be completed a few months after June. I don't know why it's so bright yellow, but yeah. Vitalik Buterin's blockchain brainchild Ethereum is expected to switch from POW consensus mechanism, which requires a considerable amount of energy, to POS this summer. Many consider the process known as the merge as a stepping stone for the project's future development. Tim Byko, though, believes the initiative might see the light of day later than most of us have been anticipating, or at least hoping for. If you want to read more on that article from cryptopotato.com, be sure to check out the podcast or YouTube notes, and you can find the link there. Former SEC Chair Clayton slapped with a lawsuit over Ripple. On April 11th, 2022, attorney Fred Rispoli, representing XRP investor Shannon O'Leary, filed a class action against the former executives. Rispoli said that they had decided to take a stand against the torturous interference done by officials against Ripple, which had damaged the finances of Ripple's investors. The lawsuit further allegates that Clayton and Hinman's persecution of Ripple was driven by the interest of third parties who stood to benefit from Ripple's closure. Rispoli said the claims under the lawsuit exceeded $5 million. SEC's case against Ripple has already thousands of Ripple community people filing multiple class action lawsuits against the SEC, but the class action marks the first time that the SEC officials have been individually targeted. In a Twitter thread, Rispoli said the SEC executives and their conspiracy to knock down the XRPL network. He added that Hinman and Clayton knew that XRP was a big threat to their previous clients. The complaint alleges that the officials influenced the SEC not to probe the similar Ethereum network. Interestingly, it added that Clayton and Hinman's prior and recent clients had multi-billion stakes in Ethereum. However, it's also alleged that both of the officials were hired directly by the firms that heavily invested in the Ethereum network. Rispoli mentioned that defendants conduct caused the plaintiff's business expectancy of at least $42 billion in the XRPL network. So, wow. Here we go. it's unending this case in multiple cases tied to SEC and Ripple. When will we get a break? All right. And I know you've already heard it elsewhere. Guys, Elon Musk launches a $43 billion hostile takeover of Twitter. How will Dogecoin react? Well, Dogecoin has been bullish. So Elon Musk recently announced a hostile takeover bid for Twitter for $43 billion, which means the world's wealthiest man would pay $54.20 per share for 100% of the company. In a filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission on April 13th, they believe Mr. Musk believes that Twitter has the potential to be the platform for free speech around the globe. He says, I'm offering a 100% buy of Twitter for $54.20 per share in cash, a 54% premium over the days before I began investing in Twitter, and a 38% premium over the day before my investment was publicly announced. My offer is the best and final offer, and if it is not accepted, I would need to reconsider my position as a shareholder, Musk stated. On the announcement, Twitter shares spiked above 13%, jumping on the news the longer term. Looking back over the last couple of weeks, the stock is up by $12.82 in the last month, although still a distant from the all-time high. All right, well, that does it for the news this morning. Let's jump into the market. Bitcoin at $41,210, down 5.05% for the week. Ethereum at $3,092, down 3.71%. BNB at $420, down 2.75. XRP at 72 cents, down 6.55%. Solana at $105, down 8.82%. Cardano rather, at 96 cents, down 10.87%. Terra Luna down 86%, down 17% at $86.25. Man, guys, I'm getting jumbled this morning. Avalanche at $80, down 4.44%. Dogecoin at 14 cents, up 0.01%, but up 5.23% for the day. Polkadot at $18.35, down almost 9% for the week. Shiba Inu up 7.99% at 402675. And we have Polygon Matic at $1.41, down 4.34% for the week. And last but not least, Kronos at 42 cents, down 5.52% for the week, but up 3.18%, now 24% for the day. So guys, that does it for the market recap. I hope you have a great rest of your day. We had some pretty fun spaces the last couple of days. Killer Whales first episode yesterday. Pretty cool, great attendance, especially considering that they didn't really do a whole lot of marketing for it. So almost 200 people in the room at one time on an account hosting it that had less than 200 followers. So pretty impressive turnout. It looks like people like the idea. So we will continue to follow Killer Whales and get them on the show to talk about that in the near future. But guys, that does it for this podcast. Have a great rest of your day. If I don't see you in spaces this evening, as always, I will talk to you tomorrow.
Thanks for listening to Moon Vibes. If you enjoyed this episode and you'd like to help support the podcast, please share it with others. Post about it on social media. Visit our sponsor and affiliate links in the description, or leave a rating and review. Be sure to follow your host on Twitter at CryptoKyleMQT. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.